Alright, let's hope this is a good one. Let's hope this is a good game.
Good way to see if they got any kind of like matchmaking system in play yet, or if it's all just everybody who comes in gets to play.
I can play with my HUD off. That
Why
could be
did
fun.
we run down there and not wake you up? Oh, well, I guess you don't know how he's doing.
Control.
Oh, okay.
Looking pretty cool.
Time to fight, Guardians.
So they got
Capture
mine
all
over there
zones.
then. Oh, okay. Well, at least you know you don't have to go out of the building to see.
The colors are so vibrant with the blind.
Okay.
Get stuck, bitch. Oh.
I
There
am
it is.
fast.
There it is. You fucking go up
Two.
against one guy, and then another guy shooting you in the back.
Now, you know, a couple days I will
Zone B captured. You have zone
I'll
advantage.
be in to see you, but I will call you. You alright?
Oh, that still hit me. Crazy.
Someone's
I thought
setting
about
up an
range.
appointment.
Zone
Rock.
C lost.
Oh, it'll be after lunch when I call.
We're moving to.
You
oh, they
stole
have-
my kill, B.
Yeah, welcome to the club.
Aww.
Well, when you're used to staying up till 12 waiting on somebody to come home, and then you're up another hour.
Wow, freaking
I
shredded
need to
that
take
kid.
something away from them.
Yeah, I'm going for A right now.
There you
Damn
go.
it. He shredded me right back with the same freaking gun.
Okay, that
I was
grenade
trying to
didn't
take
go where I
C, by
wanted
the
it
way.
to go.
Zone A secure.
Yeah, and it's
You have
yeah,
advantage.
that's exactly what I do. I mean, I make mine enough time to slow. I got some more big.
There we go.
Oh shit. Oh, that's crappy.
Oh, I almost got a sweet double.
Rocket's going in for you, fam.
Yeah, he was mad.
Zone
He was
B
like, this
lost.
freaking sundial guy cannot exist!
I got my food. I got one.
Wow,
Lead.
good play, good play.
Over. Keep
Karma
this
guy's not
up
too
and
bad.
The battle is yours.
Oh, I'm about to die.
Zone B secure. Zone
That was
advantage
really
is
good.
yours.
That pushed us. Wait, did we all accumulative... Like, did we all cumulatively get 1 point for that?
I don't know.
We were
For what?
all standing on the zone cap.
Yeah, you only
We
get
only
points per kill. There's no extra points anymore.
Oh,
They basically removed extra points so that only kills mattered now. And of course, now that it's control, it's also
Only
like
5 minutes
it's
left.
the point you get more points when you get a kill, but it's still.
Oh,
just-
what? His stupid burn killed me.
freaking why aren't you taking damage?
You're pulling ahead.
I'm glad
Keep
he
it
got
that
that.
way.
He was being annoying.
Oh, they're capping
Zone
A.
A lost. Zone C secure.
So you get a point for capture.
Have advantage.
I just capped C and got a point.
Just wrecked them again.
Oh god.
Jesus.
Nice.
God, that fusion rifle is so just it's just
Zone C
dirty,
lost.
dude.
How? Oh my god. DJ of Doom is an absolute as
Zone
They're on
fucking
B.
That's
captured.
high
It's
recovery.
yours. Zone advantage
B.
is
So
yours.
bad.
I did 1 damage.
Just to confirm with Neil, you do get a
Zone
point
B
for that.
lost.
Yeah, no problem. I
Okay.
still think about it, even though he gets
So
I
then,
literally
yeah,
just did it once.
That proves that the you don't get it doesn't go
Ah.
faster with more people because you only get 1 point for the cap regardless of like what happens.
Oh. Nice melee.
You have zone advantage.
Makes sense.
Tell them you're allergic to
Does it?
Vaguely.
It could stop snowballing because if each person got a point for a capture and it went faster, you could just sit there and just run in a circle, team shotting everything, and then freaking getting
There's two in
4
the middle
points
of
for a
B.
cap. Yeah, I'm trying to take them out, but they got like a power well or something going on there. Bad news. I'm gonna not be around for all
I'll
that.
show them the true meaning
Ah.
of war.
I gotta find out the reason why.
Oh, guy on the right here.
Golden gun.
Good shit. Thank you, B.
I hate how they ruined it.
Oh, what
Damn
the
it.
fuck?
That same guy with his rocket. He's still pissed off about me.
Zone C belongs. Zone B captured. Zone
What did you do to that guy?
Nearly there.
Is that a Dawnblade?
There's a Dawnblade going for B.
Yeah, even me again.
Aw, man.
He just fucked us up, dude. Holy shit. That
I
was
try to
such
hide
an
behind the
effective
shield.
super. Oh my god.
Damn.
Everything bad happening?
We won!
I got 3 kills.